Imagine your mouth painting delicate white lace patterns all by itself.
Beautiful, right? But this isn't art. It's an autoimmune mystery called Oral Lichen Planus. Today, we'll uncover its story, from causes to treatment, in the simplest way possible. Oral Lichen Planus, or OLP, is a chronic immune condition that affects the mucous lining of the mouth. It happens when your own T cells mistakenly attack the basal layer of oral epithelium. The result, those famous white lace-like lines called Wickham's striae. Here's what happens inside. Your immune system's T cells go rogue, releasing cytokines like interferon gamma and TNF-alpha. These chemicals damage the basal cells, leading to inflammation, cell death, and that classic sawtooth pattern you'll later spot under the microscope. But what triggers this internal battle? There are several suspects: autoimmune dysfunction, genetic predisposition, emotional stress, certain medications like NSAIDs and antihypertensives, dental materials such as amalgam, and even infection with hepatitis C. Now, oral lichen planus isn't a one-look disease. It wears many disguises. The reticular type shows delicate white lace-like lines and is the most common. The erosive type looks red and ulcerated, and it's quite painful. The atrophic type shows thinning mucosa with redness. The plaque-like type appears as thick white patches that mimic leukoplakia. And finally, the bullous type forms blisters that easily rupture. Under the microscope, the diagnosis becomes even more fascinating. You'll see hyperkeratosis or parakeratosis, degeneration of the basal cell layer, sawtooth-shaped rete ridges, servate bodies, and a dense band of lymphocytes hugging the epithelium. That's the histological fingerprint of oral lichen planus. Diagnosing OLP is detective work. Start with a clinical examination, then confirm with a biopsy. Direct immunofluorescence often shows a fine line of fibrinogen along the basement membrane. And don't forget to rule out similar-looking conditions like lupus, leukoplakia, and lichenoid reactions. Now, how do we manage it? There's no permanent cure, but OLP can be controlled effectively. Topical corticosteroids like clobetasol are the first-line therapy. Mouthwashes, topical anesthetics, and calcineurin inhibitors like tacrolimus can also help. Stress management plays a big role. Relaxation therapy and counseling often make a noticeable difference. Regular dental checkups are essential because erosive and atrophic forms have a small risk of turning malignant. To help you remember the essentials, here's an easy mnemonic: LICHEN. L stands for lace-like lines, I for immune-mediated, C for chronic course, H for histology's sawtooth pattern, E for erosive potential, and N for needs regular monitoring. And here are your quick exam tips. The most common form is reticular. Biopsy confirms the diagnosis. Erosive forms need careful follow-up. And yes, oral lichen planus carries a small but real risk of malignancy. So remember, not all that is white and lacy is innocent. Behind the beauty lies an autoimmune story that every dentist must recognize and respect. Spot it early, treat it kindly, and you'll master one of the most fascinating oral lesions in pathology.